What is up, YouTube? Niner Faithful 52 here, back with another sneaker unboxing review. Got my package in the mail here from Nike, and typical unboxing here. No padding. I don't know why they should consider doing that, honestly. Throw the box this way, and then you can see this is a Jordan. Just simple black and gold box, and the shoes. Jordan Point Lanes, the black University, red wolf gray colorway, size 10, retail price $140. Correct me if I'm wrong, but don't these Jordans come in another box? I don't know, what's whatever. So typical paper, Jumpman 23 paper. And here they are, folks. There they are. These are the, what would I call these? The cement, like a black, they call it like a bread, but nah, this ain't no bread. This is like a black cement because of this right here. Look at that Nike Air on the back. Now, a lot of people have questions about this shoe, but the main question is why throw Nike Air branding on here, right? Than your typical any other retro shoe, basically. But basically this model in particular, so this is the Jordan Point Lanes, is I believe the 3, which here's the tab here, the Nike Air branding on the back. Let me see what else is the 3. Maybe I think probably the midsole here, maybe. But it's the 11. That's clear right here. Jordan, Jumpman Jordan. That's the 11. Also right here at the toe cap. That's, reminds you of the 11. It has an air unit here, right? Here's the Air Max air unit. And I believe it's the 6, as you can see, it has like that stitching, where on the 6 it has 23. If nobody noticed, or nobody didn't know that at first, on the 6 is a 2 and a 3 here on the side. But yeah, I think this, and then you got the IC sole right here on the bottom. This, however, it reminds me a little bit of the, what is it? Is it the 5? I'm not sure, but you guys can let me know in the comments what you guys think of right here on the heel, on the bottom of the outsole here, on the back. I believe this is the 3. No, this is the 6. You see these circles right here? That's the 6. Comes all across here. There you go. Got a little Nike swoosh here, Nike here branding. Got a red Jumpman on the bottom, and then you got your this looks like a clear. Yeah, this looks like a clear almost right here on the midsole. White midsole. I told you guys of the Air unit here, the Air Max here in black. On the back of the shoe, you got the 3 here, the heel tab, with the Nike Air branding there in gray. Got some white and gray here on the heel. Here's the lateral side, or I think that's what it's called. And on this side we have this is leather, and it's not a terrible leather considering this is a $140 retail shoe. Up here we have like that 11, the mesh, I believe. Yeah, there's the mesh material here. Same here, you can hear that. And then got some breathability here on the toe here. You see that leather? I'm not even putting much pressure on that. So for the price, I mean, the materials, I mean, they look pretty good, in my opinion. There's a little Jumpman right there with the 11 toe cap, like I mentioned earlier. Here are the lace. Here's the tongue first off. Black tongue with a little gray here with red Jumpman. It's like a nylon tongue. And then you got your typical laces here. It feels like what is this? Yeah, it's a nylon tongue for sure. Got the little eyelets here. Little touches of red makes it pop. This right here, the stitching makes it pop. That's what basically the colorway is what drew me to this shoe. But you know, we'll see about the comfort and all that. But here's the 11, the Jordan Jumpman here in white and red here. And yeah, here's more buildability here, more leather here. Has like this gray outlines. It really pops, which I like. And like I mentioned, you got the icy sole here. And on the inside, let me take out this real quick. On the inside, you have a Jumpman and it says Air Max in red. And with the size tag, production tagging on your right here. There you go. And then a black footbed. Yeah, so I mean, you know, I cop what I like. So, you know, to me, this shoe looks dope. As you guys have seen my YouTube channel, if you're new, go check it out. But I've recently started showing like my recent sneaker pickups, and eventually I'll show my collection down the line. But I mean, I haven't done like an on foot in any of the shoes really. I'm just showing you guys an unboxing, a review, you know, kind of how they look in hand, the materials and all that. But I might consider doing an on foot for you guys. If you guys want an on foot, let me down in the comments, and then I'll consider doing that. Because you know, the seasonal time, I'm getting busy with work, so you know, let me know. That way I could do it ahead of time. But to me, these are clean. They're fire. That's my opinion, you know. These are the Jordan Point Lanes. This is the like a black cement. People are calling it a bread colorway. You know, you call it what you like, but to me this is a dope colorway for one. Now, I have never like tried them on and anything like that, but I'll probably have, you know, different opinions, different thoughts on that. But yeah, to me, it's really dope. I got these on Nike, on Nike.com. Right now they still have that infrared colorway where it's mainly black and the heel tab is red. The Air Max unit here, it's red. And then I think almost the whole bottom is an icy sole almost. I was thinking about getting the all black version with the icy sole, but then I saw this colorway come out, so I chose this one. But yeah, I mean, on Nike, they're on Champs, I believe, Foot Locker, you know, different foot size have them. I got these with like a student discount. My little brother's a student, so I used that discount. Came out to like 128, something like that, 126, something like that. So just decided to cop. So one nice look here of the Jordan Point Lanes in the, I'm gonna call them black cement colorway. So there you guys have it. So that's been pretty much it. You know, just a simple unboxing review. But like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I could have sworn this did not come in this box. Here, watch. Let me show you guys an example. I think I have a shoe box here. It's called the Jordan Delta, and it's supposed to come in this box, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. This one right here. It says Jumpman here. It's a little different. This is the Delta Breathe. I wear these to work. But I'm pretty sure it's supposed to come in this box. I don't know why it came in this simple, you know, your typical black and gold box, but you know, it is what it is, I guess. To me, I don't really care too much about the box, but you know, unless it's a retro. That's when obviously they have to get that right. But considering this is just like a lifestyle, I guess you would say, Jordan. I don't know. They just decided to send me this one, but you know, it is what it is type of thing. And yeah, just been pretty much it. My unboxing review on these Jordan Point lanes. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video if you like it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.